Hello, my name is Michael Park. Today I will be demonstrating how to create a Google account and use it to log into various Google services. The first step in creating a Google account is to open up an internet browser. I will be using a computer and use Google Chrome, but the device and type of internet browser that you use does not matter. Next, search up accounts.google.com/signup. Enter your first and last name in the provided boxes. Your username of the Google account will also be your email address. Your username may only include numbers, letters, and periods. Additionally, you will not be able to use a username that has already been taken. This is an example of a username that has already been taken. Try to add numbers or periods to make it unique. Next, you have to create a password. Your password needs to have a minimum of 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to remember your password or write it down on a piece of paper that no one else will be able to see. This screen may or may not appear. If it doesn't appear, disregard the next few steps. Once you enter in your phone number, a text message will come with your verification number. Enter in the verification number that you received. Once you press verify, this screen should appear. If you do not want to include your phone number, erase it. Google asks for your phone number and email address in case you forget your password to your Google account. Now you must enter in your birthday. You also have to enter in your gender. The next screen that appears should have the Google Terms of Service that you must agree to. Read it and click I agree if you agree. Note that you will not be able to create your Google account if you do not agree to the terms and services. Now you have finished creating your Google account. Once you have finished creating your Google account, you can use it to log into various Google services. I will demonstrate how to log into YouTube and Gmail, but this process will be similar for any other Google service. To log into YouTube, first search up youtube.com. Once you see this screen, click on Sign In. If you do not see any other Google accounts, click on Use Another Account. Enter in your username of your Google account. After you click Next, enter in your password of your Google account. You have finished logging into YouTube with your Google account. Now I will demonstrate how to log into Gmail with your Google account. First, search up gmail.com. Click on Use Another Account again. Enter in your username of your Google account. Enter in your password for your Google account. You have finished logging into your Gmail account for your Google account. Thanks for watching.